So we talked about right-of-way rules in previous videos. Let's take a look at what the FAA has to say in regards to right-of-way. So no person may operate a small unmanned aircraft in a manner that interferes with operations and traffic patterns at any airport, heliport, or seaplane base. The remote PIC also has a responsibility to remain clear and yield right-of-way to all other aircraft, manned or unmanned, and avoid other potential hazards that may affect the remote PIC's operation of the aircraft. This is traditionally referred to as see and avoid. So you might be wondering, can I just use my camera to perform this see and avoid? The answer is no. Okay, so first person view or FPV cameras cannot satisfy see and avoid requirement. However, such cameras can be used as long as the see and avoid requirement is satisfied in other ways. So what they're really saying is you cannot fully rely on your FPV camera to determine the right of way. Okay, so you must always have someone, in this case, it's going to be your VO, your visual observer, to have VLOS, which is visual line of sight of the SUAS. Okay, so, and lastly, manned aircrafts, even if it's on the ground, always have the right of way. Okay, so again, you can use FPV cameras to aid you in performing a see and avoid. However, you must have a visual observer to have complete VLOS, visual line of sight of your small UAS. I'll see you guys in the next video.